Dear parents, welcome to DgFee. In this video, we will show you how to log into the DgFee system. Please log into the DgFee portal using the registered mobile number. This is the number which is provided to the school or college for the student during enrollment. Once you enter the number and click on Get OTP, you will receive an OTP. It is sent both as an SMS to your phone and your registered email address. If you don't receive it on the phone due to network issues, please check your emails, and upon submitting the same, you will be logged in to the system. In the dashboard, you will see the student's name listed. If you have more than one student studying in the same school, all the students' name will be displayed on the dashboard. Kindly note, after logging in, if you are unable to find the student's name, a different contact number might have been registered. Please get in touch with your institution to verify.